Holy Mouthwash is marketed as a premium oral care product that supposedly freshens breath and leaves your mouth feeling ultra clean. But the real question is, can it actually purify the sins in your mouth, or is it just another bottle of mini optimism? Now, to be fair, mouthwash can genuinely help with oral hygiene. Antibacterial ingredients, fluoride, and essential oils can reduce bacteria, freshen breath, and support overall dental care when used alongside brushing and flossing. What it does well may freshen breath effectively. This is the most immediate benefit of most mouthwashes. And Holy Mouthwash likely delivers a classic Mindy, I made good life choices today feeling. Could reduce some oral bacteria. Depending on the ingredients, it may help lower bacterial levels temporarily and contribute to a cleaner feeling mouth. Where the hype falls apart, it cannot purify sins. This is the biggest issue. Mouthwash can help with bacteria and breath, but it has no known effect on your moral record, questionable late-night snacks, or the lies you told your dentist about flossing daily. It won't replace brushing and flossing. No mouthwash can compensate for poor oral hygiene habits. Dentists still want you brushing twice a day and flossing regularly. Results are temporary. Fresh breath and reduced bacteria typically last for a limited time. Coffee, garlic, and life itself eventually return. So, can Holy Mouthwash purify the sins in your mouth? Short answer, no. It can freshen your breath and possibly reduce some bacteria. But your conscience remains between you, your dentist, and whatever you ate at 2 a.m. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.